Pahinga sa atong destinasyon. Bye bye.
Air Asia Flight C480, final comfort Mr. Charles Barrett, Charles Barrett, Mary Jane Leslie, Mary Jane Leslie, Joel Icarano, Joel Icarano, Martin Orozco, Martin Orozco, and Catherine Tapi. Catherine Tapi, divided Christina Wati, number 15, all four please.
Luto laut. Laut.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. For the information of all departing passengers of Air Asia Flight Z223 bound for Matiklan, Boracay. Once again, Z223 bound for Matiklan, Boracay. Please be advised that your assigned aircraft has just arrived. Once again, the assigned aircraft has just landed here in Manila. Boarding will commence after the ground servicing of the assigned aircraft has been completed. Please be advised that your final boarding gate assignment will be at gate number 16. Once again, your final boarding gate assignment is at gate number 16. May we request all Manila bound passengers on Air Asia Flight Z223 to kindly transfer now at gate number 16, remain seated, and wait for your next boarding announcement. Thank you. For the information of our departing passengers on Philippine Airlines Flight PR2953, bound for Southwest. Our flight for the day is full, and there might be an overflow of baggage inside the overhead compartment of the aircraft. You are allowed to bring one piece of your carry-on baggage on foot. It should not weigh more than 7 kilos and should fit in overhead compartment of the aircraft. Any baggage that exceeds weight or size will be intercepted at the gate and will be marked to your final destination. In line with this, we are looking for volunteer passengers willing to check in another piece of their carry-on baggage. Interested passengers may upload any of their documents here at gate number 8. Final call for boarding for the last two remaining passengers on Philippine Airlines Flight PR2525 kindly listen now at seat number 10 and boarding. Once again, final call for boarding for the last two remaining passengers on Philippine Airlines Flight PR2525 kindly listen now at seat number 10 and boarding. This is your last call for boarding. Good afternoon for the information of all departing guests on Air Asia Flight Z223 bound for Matiklan, Boracay. This is just a pre-boarding announcement. We are not yet boarding. To ensure the safety and for the benefit of all our guests who will be boarding by zone. Please take note of your zone numbers, which can be found on your boarding passes. First, group to board our guests seated in zone 1 with seat numbers from rows 1 to 5. 12 and 14, big card members, premium flex, plus pass, elderly guests, guests traveling with infants and small children, followed by zone 2 seat numbers from rows 20 to 31, and last group to board our guests in zone 3 with seat numbers from rows 6 to 19. Please have your boarding pass together with your one-valid ID ready to be presented to our gate staff. Thank you.
Good afternoon, attention to all passengers on Philippine Airlines Flight Once again, final call for passenger Sean Barrett, Magistrate Joel Icarado, Mark Jude, Oroy Core, and Catherine Cantillo, area of flight C2430. Your flight is closing, thank you for gate number 15. All aboard, please.
Larga na. Larga na ang Erisya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Punta na sa moon. Punta na sa moon ang Erisya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wala na, alis na. Hindi na mapigilan. Bye-bye. Fly to the moon. Alis na. Na. Bye-bye na.